The final witnesses will return to the stand tomorrow in the Lindsay Clancy murder trial. She's the Massachusetts woman accused of killing her children.
Yeah, the defense claims the mother suffered from postpartum psychosis. The prosecution here is pushing back, saying Clancy is criminally responsible for the murder of her 3 young children. As ABC's Lionel Moyes reports, testimony got heated in court today.
The final witnesses taking the stand in the Lindsay Clancy trial, the Massachusetts mother has pleaded not guilty to murder charges, accused of killing her 3 young children in 2023. Clancy's attorney claims she was suffering from postpartum psychosis when she strangled her children and attempted to take her own life, but prosecutors argue her actions were deliberate and she was aware of what she was doing. Testimony got heated in court today as Clancy's defense team tried to push back on an expert called by prosecutors.
So would you agree with me, sir, that when you are diagnosing, if you do, a patient that's coming to you for help, after having a baby and is now complaining of hearing voices or a voice commanding her to act, that is a symptom of postpartum psychosis, yes or no?
That would be psychosis. I don't know exactly, based on your hypothetical, as to whether it would count as the proposed postpartum psychosis illness, disease, but it certainly would be a concerning symptom or sign.
The witness at time refused to answer questions, with the judge having to step in several times. The case has drawn attention to the difference between postpartum depression, which is more common, and postpartum psychosis. Postpartum psychosis is rare and can include psychiatric episodes after childbirth like mania, depression, delusions, and hallucinations. In comparison, postpartum depression is characterized by withdrawal, crying, doubting your ability to care for the baby, as well as anger and anxiety.
In the end, it's going to be up to the prosecution. They have to prove beyond a reasonable doubt that she was not suffering from postpartum psychosis. And I think it's an uphill battle at this point with the combative first expert that they've called on rebuttal.
Closing arguments could begin as early as tomorrow. Clancy faces life in prison without parole if found guilty. If she's found not criminally responsible, she will be sent to a state mental health facility. Lionel Moyes, ABC News, New York.